A loan is classified as a non-performing asset when the borrower does not fulfill the obligation of making regular payments to the lender for a designated time frame, typically exceeding 90 days. Non-performing assets impose a financial strain on the lender, and a substantial accumulation of such assets over time could potentially jeopardize the financial stability of the lender. In an effort to minimize the detrimental consequences of non-performing loans, banks have adopted diverse approaches. One such approach involves the creation of a dedicated loan recovery unit, exclusively tasked with managing defaulting borrowers. The recovery unit comprises a team of officers who actively engage with individuals who have defaulted on their loans, ensuring that these individuals fully assume responsibility for their debt. These recovery units prove to be highly effective in recovering non-performing loans. However, their reach is quite restricted. Picture this scenario: a team of somewhere between 10 to 20 officers being expected to engage thousands or tens of thousands of defaulters. It's simply not practical. As a result, officers tend to prioritize pursuing defaulters with large debts, overlooking those with smaller debts. Over time, these smaller debts can accumulate into substantial amounts that pose a financial risk for many banks. Banks are confronted with a seemingly unsolvable predicament when it comes to recovering these smaller debts. The pursuit of each debtor individually proves to be both costly and time-consuming. As previously mentioned, banks cannot afford to overlook these smaller debts. Automation is the key to solving this problem, and some forward-thinking institutions have already embraced it. Let me introduce you to Collections Booster, a comprehensive debt management and recovery software solution. It is equipped with a wide range of powerful features, and it offers invaluable assistance to banks in various areas, including monitoring a bank's credit portfolio and proactively sending reminders to clients whose facilities are starting to show signs of stress, ensuring strict adherence to repayment plans, generating detailed reports pertaining to the bank's credit portfolio, which greatly improves decision-making. By leveraging the capabilities of Collections Booster, banks can not only reduce all the costs associated with the recovery of non-performing loans, but also recover a huge chunk of their money in a short space of time. We've been afforded the opportunity to collaborate with one of the biggest banks in the country, CBZ Bank. Our collaboration has provided us with the opportunity of working alongside their Recoveries and Collections department. Through the implementation of Collections Booster, remarkable outcomes have been realized. In a mere 12 months, the bank has managed to recover slightly less than 50% of their non-performing loans in local currency. Within a short time frame of 6 months, the bank has successfully recovered just under 20% of their non-performing loans in United States dollars. Another significant achievement is the recovery of 16% of debts that were previously written off as bad debts. These numbers tell an obvious story. Automation is a missing piece in a lot of banks' recovery units. We're eager to work with forward-thinking financial institutions who want to get better control of their credit portfolio. And if you want to get better control of your credit portfolio, feel free to get in touch with us. Send us an email on info@keridan.net.